LG monitor adapter issues often stem from power brick failure, cable problems, or incompatibility. Power bricks can overheat or degrade over time, especially in older models due to capacitor failure or voltage surges. Cables can get damaged, especially HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C types. Using incorrect wattage or non-LG recommended adapters can also cause issues. Start troubleshooting by identifying the specific problem area. Before diving deep into troubleshooting, start with these quick checks to narrow down the problem. First, confirm the wall outlet is working by plugging in another device, like a lamp or phone charger. Next, inspect the monitor's power cord for any physical damage, such as cuts, bends, or exposed wires. Then, try plugging the monitor into a different power outlet to eliminate outlet-related electrical issues. Finally, if the monitor still doesn't power on, even with a known good power source, the problem might be with the monitor's internal components rather than the adapter. To diagnose issues with the power brick, first check for overheating. If the brick feels excessively hot to the touch, it may be failing due to internal component stress. Excessive heat indicates potential failure from voltage surges or component degradation. Allow the brick to cool before handling. For accurate diagnosis, test the output voltage using a multimeter. Set it to DC voltage mode and connect probes to the brick's output. A healthy brick provides stable voltage matching the monitor's specifications. Incorrect or zero voltage confirms a faulty brick requiring replacement. Always use OEM parts to ensure compatibility and safety. Cable issues are common causes of monitor problems like no signal or flickering. Start by carefully examining your cables for physical damage, such as bent pins, frays, or corrosion. If you find damage, try swapping with a different cable of the same type to test if that resolves the issue. Ensure your cable supports the monitor's required resolution and refresh rate. For example, HDMI 2.1 is needed for 4K at 144 Hz. For USB-C cables, make sure it's a proper power delivery cable that can handle the required wattage. Faulty cables often cause these connection problems. When replacing the adapter, using an original equipment manufacturer OEM adapter from LG is recommended. Ensure the replacement matches the original's voltage, amperage, and connector type. While third-party adapters are cheaper, they can sometimes cause more damage, voltage surges, or even fires. Verify the serial number, as counterfeit parts are a growing problem. Refurbished or LG-certified secondhand adapters are a good alternative. LG offers app-based diagnostics available for Android and iOS devices to remotely test the adapter's functionality. The app can identify faults and provide troubleshooting steps. This feature has shown an 85% success rate in diagnosing adapter-related problems. Check the LG support website for compatibility with your monitor model. Make sure your monitor and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network during the test. Newer LG monitors are increasingly using USB-C power delivery, reducing reliance on external adapters. If your monitor supports USB-C PD, ensure your device like a laptop can supply sufficient power. Future trends include fully integrated power solutions and even wireless power, minimizing adapter issues. LG is also moving towards more sustainable and recyclable adapter designs. To extend the life of your LG monitor adapter and prevent future issues, follow these preventative measures. First, avoid using it in high-temperature environments above 35 degrees Celsius, as heat can cause capacitor degradation and overheating in the power brick. Ensure proper ventilation around the power brick by keeping it in an open area, away from confined spaces where heat builds up. Good airflow prevents internal shorts and prolongs the adapter's lifespan. Regularly inspect cables for physical damage like fraying or bent pins, which can cause signal loss or safety hazards. Check HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C connections frequently. Consider using a surge protector to shield against voltage spikes that can damage the adapter's internal components. This protects against power surges from electrical storms or unstable outlets. Stay updated on LG firmware updates, which often include power management improvements to optimize adapter performance and prevent shutdowns. If problems persist despite these measures, contact LG support or a professional repair service. LG offers app-based diagnostics and warranty replacements for certified issues.